Children of Netaji Public School Hassan who are studying in 4th standard. So far in our last 3 chapters we are knowing about so many things about computers, right? So today we will learn a new chapter and a new application, that is Tux Paint. So in your 3rd standard you studied about the Microsoft Paint, right? So in this Tux Paint there are so many features which we cannot see in the Microsoft Paint. So in this video we will start and understand about this Tux Paint, how it is different from Microsoft Paint and all. Shall we start today's video, children? Yes.
Hello students, let us understand about Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing or painting programs, Tux Paint has a lot of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects which make it one of the best drawing software. Who is he? He is Bill Kendrick, the lead developer and designer of Tux Paint. Let us look at its unique features. Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot who helps you to know more about Tux Paint. A large variety of tools help the children to bring out their best creative designs. We can add personalized stems on our drawing once we finish it. Funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. We can load and save images directly as thumbnails, and there is no need to specify a file name. Students, note important information that Tux Paint is an award-winning free software for children with many interesting features. The program can be downloaded from www.tuxpaint.org. Let us discuss how to open Tux Paint. Click on Start button. Choose All Programs. Select Tux Paint. Choose Tux Paint windowed. You will now see the welcome screen of Tux Paint. After the welcome screen, we will see the opening screen of Tux Paint. Toolbox has a total of 14 different tools. Colors is the palette from where you can choose different colors. The penguin is your friend. It tells the proper method of using the selected tool. We have 17 fixed colors and 1 choice color. Sub-toolbox contains more options of a particular tool. Clicking the new button will display color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Starters is like a page from a coloring book with a black and white outline of a picture in which you can color. Now we shall discuss Paint tool. Whenever we start Tux Paint, the Paint tool is selected by default. It is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is similar to the brush tool in MS Paint. We can use it to draw freehand images or sketches as well as select various brush shapes present in its sub-toolbox. Students, let us know more. To create a new file, select New Tool and choose any background. Click on Open button present at the left side of the canvas. Let us start drawing a scenery using the Paint tool. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The shape of pointer changes from a hand to a paintbrush. Select the brown color from the colors palette and draw a few mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. Now choose yellow color and draw a small sun behind the mountains as shown in the figure. Select blue color and draw a wavy line for river as shown in the figure. Students, it has developed a software using which you can convert your tux paint drawings into puzzles. Let us learn a few things about the sub toolbox that is on the right side of the drawing canvas. Now let us talk about sub toolbox. The sub toolbox is a unique feature of tux paint. For every tool in tux paint, we have many options of brush shapes, special effects in sub toolbox. We can choose any brush shapes from the sub toolbox present on the right hand side. We have more than 50 different shapes, but only a few are used. Let us select different brush shapes and learn how to use them. Haze brush shape. Haze brush is a unique sub-tool which has a hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away. Let us try our hand. Select the paint tool. Now select brush shape and select light blue color. Draw a few clouds in the sky. Similarly, select green color and draw the trees as shown in the figure. Great! We have learned how to use the haze brush shape. Students, it's time to learn some magic. The most special feature of tux paint is the magic tool. We can use the magic tool to draw and give amazing effects to a picture. Select the magic tool. The pointer will change to a magic wand. Now we will apply some magical effects to our drawing. Okay children, you can add more colors by clicking on the last option of the colors palette. After clicking it, the More Color dialog box will appear. Select any color of your choice and click on Back button to go back to the main screen and use the selected color. Blur Magic. This sub-tool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. Let us see how it works. Magic tool and then the blur effect from the sub-tool box. Apply it all over the boundary of the mountains and see how it looks. You can use the blur effect as many times as you like. Every time you use this tool, the image will fade a little more than the original one. Let us now find out how to use grass effect. It is used to give grass effect in a drawing. Click on the magic tool and select the grass effect from the sub-tool box. Select green color from the colors palette. Now draw some grass by clicking on the canvas as shown in the figure. Let me tell you the use. It is used to fill color in an object. The magic tool is already selected. Select fill and choose blue color from the colors palette. Now bring the magic wand over the river and click on it. The blue color will be filled in the river. Select brown color and click on the mountains to fill brown color in them. Likewise, fill yellow color in the sun and red color in the roof of the hut and orange color in the lower rectangle of it. Alright students, let us understand the use of flower tool. It is a ready-made option to draw flowers on the canvas. Click the flower tool, which is a subtool of the magic tool. Select red color from the colors palette. Bring the magic wand over the grass. Keep clicking on the grass area to add flowers on it. Likewise, select different colors to add colorful flowers on the grass. Students, note that erase tool is used to erase drawing in Tux Paint. We shall discuss about stamp tool. It is a simple tool which is used to put a stamp and add images in your drawing. Tux Paint already has some inbuilt stamps. Additional stamps can be downloaded from the following website: www.tuxpaint.org/download/windows. Further, select the link TuxPaint #stamp #2009.06.28 #win32 #installer.exe. On installing the stamps file, we can see various categories of stamps in the sub-toolbox. Click the stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the sub-toolbox. For more stamps, click the right or left arrow. Select the cock stamp. You can also increase and decrease the size of the stamp using the slope bar just above the colors palette in the sub-toolbox. Now click on the canvas and the stamp will be pasted. Likewise, select the hut stamp and paste on the canvas. We can also use the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow keys in the sub-toolbox. Click on the mirror button. Now paste the selected stamp besides the previous stamp. Students, let us talk about the patterns of Tux Paint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the Paint tool. We can select any of the pattern shapes from the sub-toolbox. Let us see how many beautiful patterns we can make. Select Paint tool. Now you will see the brushes sub-toolbox on the right-hand side. Select the filled circle shape and choose brown color from the palette. Draw the stem of a tree. Scroll down and select the vine shape. Select green color from the colors palette. Move the pointer to the drawing area and draw the leaves by clicking on the stem. You will see a beautiful tree as shown in the figure. Similarly, select other brush shapes and see how many different patterns you can draw. Okay, let me now tell you about Lines tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. It works quite similar to the Paint tool. The Lines tool has the same brush shapes in the sub-toolbox as in the Paint tool. The only difference between Paint tool and Lines tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. While using Paint tool, you can see the image which you are drawing at that very moment. On the other hand, while using Lines tool, you will see only a straight line from the starting point to the ending point. The pattern appears only after you complete the line and release the left mouse button. Now let us draw a pattern using the Lines tool. Select the Lines tool and choose any pattern from the sub toolbox. Draw a straight line as shown in the figure. When you release the left mouse button, you will get a straight pattern in place of that line. If you draw an inclined line, you will find an inclined pattern. Students note that a Line tool has the same brush shapes in the sub toolbox as in the Paint tool. Let me tell you how to save a file. TuxPaint provides an easy method to save work using the Save tool. There is no need to mention the file name. TuxPaint saves your file as a thumbnail rather than giving it a file name. The naughty penguin confirms that you have successfully saved your file. Let us understand the process of opening a saved file. To open an already saved file, click on Open tool. You will see all the images that have been saved in TuxPaint till date. Click on the image that you want to open. Now click on Open button. Okay students, note important information that you can view all the saved files in the form of a slideshow by clicking on Slides button. Click on Play button to view the slideshow. The slide view shows every image in the form of a big slide. At the bottom right side of the screen, you will find the Back button. Click on it to go back to the previous window.
Okay children, in this video we learned so many things about TuxPaint, right? So when you get back to school, we will try this TuxPaint what we have learned in this video. I hope you enjoyed this TuxPaint video and you learned so many things and new things for drawing in a computer. So thank you for watching. If you have doubts, again watch this video repeatedly, and in our next video we will discuss about more advanced features of this TuxPaint. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye.